This is pretty impressive for some budget subs. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Great, JacobViral.
Yes, sir.
So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name's Adrian. We got 6 Redline 7 DD audios, wired to 1.3 ohm on 2 5Ks, M3Cs.
Nice.
That's really it.
Did you build this?
No, the box actually, we bought it with it.
Okay.
It was my dad's friend's van. He had this box in it. We put these in there. We sealed it off.
Very nice. I very like this. This is the first time I've ever seen subs top port bottom, because most people would have done top port.
It's old.
Oh, it's an older style, old school. Yeah. Okay. And what are these rated for? The subs, RMS wise, if you remember. Are they the 800, 1200, 15? I can't remember.
I think they're 500.
Oh, the lower level.
Yeah, they're real low.
Okay, got it.
But they got a lot put to them, so
yes, sir.
Not.
All right. Is there a way I can see the back before the demo? That way I can get kind of a walk around with you, and then anything under the hood I can look at. Yeah, that's fine. This is an old van. That's all good, man. You see everything. Look at the back. Nice. So what are these amps wired at?
1.3 ohm.
1. Okay. So per 3 sets? Okay. The M3C with C4. Sweet. Nice. Do you know how big the box is?
No, I'm not sure.
All good. I know you said you had it, you didn't put it in. It's all cool. Looks good. I like it. All right. Have y'all ever done any SPL tests on it? Never? Okay.
I'm sure it would really get high. It's pretty quiet. So.
Yes, sir. Okay. Do I need to shut this door, or can it be open? Shut it? Okay. Got it. Trying to see. You had some tweeters down here too. You got speakers everywhere. Make sure you can hear the music, not just the bass.
Yes, sir.
Even right here.
Yeah, because we can actually drive this. We don't haul it in and stuff. So.
Okay. Yep. Got it. All right. Nice. I was trying to see kind of a shot of it. This is pretty impressive for some budget subs. Yeah, you got a good bit of cone area in here, and most unique thing about it, never seen a system with bottom port. So really? Did a good job. Yeah.
Thank you.
I've seen thousands of systems. It's the first time. So
I watch
awesome.
YouTube.
Oh, you do? JacobViral. Okay. Yeah. Nice to meet you, man. And this is a good vehicle for the bass because this is metal doors on the outside. So looks good. How low do you play down to?
Maybe 25 hertz, but
25?
It don't blow air that good.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. You got one more song for me?
Yeah.
You can try? a little punch to it. Awesome. Man, yeah, good bandwidth too. It has really good bandwidth. Thank you for showing me the bandwidth 2-song demo, man.
Sure.
Did a really good job. And your name?
Adrian.
Adrian, JacobViral.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. You have a good day.
You too.
Awesome demo. Really good song. That's my favorite song.
Really.
Mane-Coca Coca.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Because it gives you the lows, the mids, and the highs.
Yes.
And you feel that squeeze with the window,
yeah.
window up. Yep. Nice. I was trying to see kind of a shot of it. This is pretty impressive for some budget subs. Yeah, you got a good bit of cone area in here. And most unique thing about it, never seen a system with bottom port. So
Really?
did a good job. Yeah.
Thank you.
I've seen thousands of systems. It's the first time. So
I watch
awesome.
YouTube all the
Oh, you
time.
do? JacobViral. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, nice to meet you, man. And this is a good vehicle for the base because this is metal doors on the outside. So looks good.